Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to, refurbish the Nokia C3-00. I've asked in a video which color would you prefer, and two it's with full body shells, two it's with blue, black and white combined, and one it's only black and blue. The only problem is that black and blue I don't have the front cover. I'll do the front white and the back blue, and with the white battery cover. I think that would look more interesting. Well, let's begin. Okay, seen the problem. It has two clamps here. There you have the main board. She's looking pretty interesting, if you ask me. Well, this is kind of it. I'll get to clean these parts and be right back. Well, cleaned it, time to put it back together. This is another easy phone. So the newer they are, usually the easier they are. Look at this camera module. Look how small it is. That's what she said. There we go. It doesn't look bad. Not one bit. Okay. Oh yeah, just remembered. There we go. Okay. I also took the white buttons from the white body shell. I think it looks better on this one. Combined colors. Well, look at this. Pretty nice. Would you look at this? Come on, admit it, it looks pretty good with combined colors. At least in my eyes. Now, let's see now. $171, not bad. Okay, it works. Mm-hmm. Two megapixel, that's why it had a small camera module. Not bad. Not bad at all. So this was the refurbished video of the Nokia C3-00. What do you think of this phone? Did you have it back in the day when it was popular? If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more daily videos, and I'll see you next time. I wish you a very awesome day. Bye bye.